to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious butter bread, especially for these cold mornings when you want to enjoy a delicious coffee with a homemade bread. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. And fluffy butter bread for your amazing morning coffee. These are my ingredients. Of course, I want to start with the non-stick baking cream, homemade, that you already have on my channel. 3 room temperature eggs, half a cup of regular milk, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1 pinch of salt, vanilla paste or vanilla extract, whatever you have at home, butter extract, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, stick of unsalted butter. This is everything you need to enjoy an amazing homemade butter bread. So let's get started. To make this amazing butter bread, first we're gonna prepare our mold. Of course, I have the non-stick baking cream that you already have on my channel. Let me tell you, this non-stick baking cream doesn't let anything stick on into it. So let's prepare our dish first and then let's put it aside. I wanna continue first with the wet ingredients. Here I have 3 room temperature eggs. Make sure that they are room temperature. Your bread is really going to come out so fluffy and delicious. You're gonna love it. I have 1 teaspoon of vanilla paste, 1 teaspoon of butter extract. Let me tell you, the butter extract really gives this bread such a delicious and amazing flavor. Well, here I'm gonna add half a cup of milk, and it's a room temperature. And of course, I am ready to start blending away. I wanna whisk really good, add my melted butter, mix it very well. Remember, we're using 1 stick of unsalted butter. And here I am ready to start adding my dry ingredients. I have 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 pinch of salt. This is everything you need to make this amazing and delicious butter bread at home from scratch. I do not like making boxes of cake mixes or buying them. No, when you could make it from scratch, your bread is going to come out so delicious, and you have control of how much sugar you add to your baking recipes. Well, here I'm just going to incorporate it really good. Once it's nice and incorporated, I am going to add 1 tablespoon of sour cream. The sour cream is going to help the bread be nice and moist and nice and fluffy. So I'm adding 1 tablespoon of sour cream. I am going to incorporate it really good, making sure everything is nice and incorporated. And when this is done, of course, I am already preheating my oven to 350 Fahrenheit. It's gonna go in the oven for about 30 minutes. But remember, every oven is different. You want to make sure that you preheat your oven before you add this mixture inside your oven. Well, let me show you the thickness, how runny this is, and that's exactly how you want it. I am ready to pour it into my baking dish. Let me tell you, my friends, once you make your butter bread from scratch, you're going to continue enjoying it with your beautiful family. Look at this. So delicious and amazing. Of course, we're taking it to the oven and I'll see you back in 30 minutes. But first, let me show you. Remember, don't fill it all the way to the top. You want space and room for it to bloom and be nice and fluffy and tall. And now, after 30 minutes, look at this. Look how delicious this is going to come out. It's still a little hot, but let me tell you, if you make it, please let me know. I'm sure you're going to love it. Like, subscribe, and share if you love this amazing recipe. Look at the thickness. Look how fluffy it is from the inside. Oh my gosh. I am ready to enjoy it. The mornings are nice and cold, nice and foggy. And this is when you really want to enjoy an amazing and fluffy homemade bread. Of course, I am going to make my coffee and I'm going to enjoy it with this amazing and fluffy butter bread. Make it from scratch. Enjoy it with your beautiful family. Look at this. There is nothing more special and more delicious than enjoying your coffee with a homemade bread. Look at this. Look how fluffy it is from the center. And if Cooking with Gloria could make it, you could make it too. Trust me in making this amazing butter bread. I'll see you in just a little bit. Can't wait to enjoy. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing butter bread, especially for enjoying it in the morning when it's nice and foggy, nice and cold. And let me tell you, made from scratch. This is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Excuse me. So fluffy, so moist, amazing. Once you make this amazing butter bread from scratch, you're going to love Cooking with Gloria. So delicious. Let me tell you, the mornings are nice and cold, nice and foggy, and I'm really enjoying this amazing butter bread. If you liked and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, you're going to be notified. Before I say, I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.